Business exists to make your life better. So step one always is, what do I want my life to look like? Growth for growth's sake is okay if you've got a massive ego, but most of us are doing it for a reason. When we start our business, we know that reason. Yeah, we might sit around the kitchen table with our husbands, wives, significant others. I'm going to run a business and it's going to mean X, more holidays, more time with the family. The reality becomes the opposite and we forget the why. We get to the point where we're juggling so many paints, all we care about is paying the mortgage, and we forget the why. So step one is, what do I want my life to look like? Step two is, what does the business need to look like in order to give me everything from my life? If I want £2 million house, 20 weeks a year holiday, and a big swimming pool in the garden with 2 garages and a Porsche, and I only want to work 20 hours a week, there will be a certain amount of money I need to earn, and my business will have to be of a certain size in order to provide all of that stuff. It's possible. But step one is set them goals. Draw an organisational structure of what your business will look like when you hit your destination and it gives you everything you want from your life. Draw that organisation chart. This is what it's like, and these are all the different roles. That is the chart. So start with the end in mind is the short answer. Then work backwards. And what I'd say to business owners is, I'll never ever argue with you about where you want to get to. All we might argue about is how long it's going to take. And that would depend on how big that goal vision is. So start with the end in mind and work backwards. It's a lot easier.